Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today, we're going to show you the best email marketing software. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now, the first top one best email marketing software that you could use right now is MailChimp. MailChimp allows you to convert with automations, scale with AIs and analytics, and have targeted segmentations over here. You could also sync it with a lot of different integration. You will be able to see the different plans in this section, but there is also a free version where you will be able to use it and have email support for the first 30 days and have pre-built email templates. It is absolutely for free for the first 2,000 contacts that you can have. And that's the first and best marketing software in our list. The second best marketing software in our list is called HubSpot CRM. HubSpot CRM allows you to have a lot of different features that you could use for your email marketing. You will be able to have contact and lead management, business insights, reporting dashboards. You can also see pipeline management, deals, calls, and email tracking, and Meet Scheduler over here. There will be more different features that you will be able to access and use when you use HubSpot. And that's it for HubSpot. Moving on, we have ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign has all of these different features that we are seeing right now. For reaching other people, you will be able to have website tracking, email marketing, email segmentation, subscription forms, and deliverability. You will be able to also have features for nurture, convert, and grow over here, allowing you to use a lot of different features to help you with your email marketing campaign. And lastly, you will be able to have GetResponse. GetResponse has a lot of marketing solutions for what you need. You have Get Your Business Online over here, a free plan for new businesses. You will be able to grow your audience, over 1 million leads generated monthly. You could engage with your customers and boost your online sales. You could use personal tools for whoever you are, either an entrepreneur, online marketer, marketing manager, and large companies over here, with each different features available for the type of person that you are. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.